Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial, and this was a requested tutorial by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested Halloween nails. So this is what I did. I wanted to do something cheap, affordable, quick, easy, and of course achievable. So here I am just picking out my full cover nail tips that I will have linked down below. These are an awesome find. They're only $9.99 on Amazon and they bring 500 pieces. This is the glue that it actually brings, and it works just as great. It literally just holds on those nails very well. Even though I place a peel off coat off camera, it still is just very secure. So yeah, here I am just placing on the nails with that nail glue that it came with, but you can use any nail glue. And by the way, I did buff out the nails with just any regular nail file off camera. So here I'm just placing the nails, and then after I will begin to file, remove the shine, and buff the nails, and I will begin this tutorial for you guys. These are the polishes I will be using. Everything is from the Dollar Tree, including the cosmetic wedge. And by the way, I did use a lighter polish to blend in that ombre with the black to create a grayish blackish ombre. So this is what I'm doing here. And by the way guys, I really loved the way that it looked. It was aesthetically beautiful and it was just so easy to create. Anyone can do it. So here, that is what I'm doing, and I will now show you the process. So here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you always so much for all the love and support. I appreciate and love each and every one of you guys. Till next time.